and I needed something small. Good morning, everybody. We're gonna do a morning time vlog. I'm excited to do this. Kenya has just fallen asleep for her nap, and I have some things I need to do. So we're gonna tackle them together. Number one, I need to wash my face. I wanna try the Rhode cleansing wash because I actually never tried the Rhode cleansing wash before. Put on some makeup, get dressed, and I also need to run an errand. Let's see if I can do all of this before Kenya wakes up. I'm gonna put a little bit of jewelry on because it makes me feel a little bit better. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear these today. These earrings, God, I can't remember where they're from. Probably just Target. This bracelet is definitely from Amazon. I don't wear it enough, but it has a letter C on it, which I love. So that's gonna be cute. This mama necklace, I got this from Amazon when I was going to, we went to Disneyland a little while ago. This is actually just, what is that, Time and True? Is that Walmart? So yeah, I guess I got the mama necklace from Walmart, the bracelet from Amazon, and the earrings I think they're from Target. So I'm gonna try to put on all this, and we're just gonna get dressed today. Hoping to be like infused, like this is, you know, I don't know, but oh well. Actually, how can I wash my face with my hair like this? I can't wash my face with my hair in my face. This isn't even a hair scrunchie. It's literally like one of those. I just need it out for a second. Rhode products, and I'm feeling like I just don't feel like doing a whole lot. Plus it's nap time and I have to go fast because I don't know how long she's gonna nap, and I have some things I need to get done. I still need time for like a little bit of makeup, you know? Like dry behind the eyebrows is weird. If you're not putting the excess skincare on your elbows, I don't know, put it on your hands. Oh. I got these must-haves from Sephora, and I kind of need to fix my hair a little bit. I know there's dry shampoo in here. Dry shampoo. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Amika Perk Up dry shampoo because my hair really needs it. Oh, that smells good. Ooh. Oh yeah, that smells good enough to use. It's not like that bad. Okay. Okay, so I need to style my hair. It's not that bad, but it is a little bit oily. We need to brush it. It's a little oily. The dry shampoo. Had to run and get my brushes because for some reason both of them were in the kitchen. Sometimes I'm in a hurry. While I was there, I decided to get one of these. These are honey sticks. I don't know what flavor this is because we have like 100 of these. I get these from the farmer's market. Like my throat feels a little scratchy. It's infused with like some flavor. This is annoying. I can't like get it open. I wish I could tell you what this tastes like. I want something. Anyway, let's brush the dry shampoo in. I was thinking about like dyeing my hair a little bit, maybe darker for the fall. Like that's something I really feel like I haven't done. I actually just went to get like my hair like barely cut, mostly like I would say trimmed. My hair is so tangled. The things I use in my hair actually do help it stay like as long as it is. It made my hair feel lighter. It doesn't feel as heavy as it normally is. Yeah, nice. So I'm gonna use this now. We're also gonna use a little bit of this. Like for more shine, you want to use this product. See how like even my ends look healthier and shinier?
As much as I don't want to say this, I just have to because it's so evident. I love to do a side part. I am a mom of 3. I'm a millennial. I do my side part with my Pattern Beauty hair tool. I also just do like the half up, half down style. It's really easy for me. My babies actually let me wear it for a couple of hours without pulling my hair down too much when I hold them. I love to use this gold hair clip. I got this from Target. I also believe my t-shirt is from Target. I don't think I said that in this video, but this is a simple hairstyle that I can wear every day. And then I just bobby pin up my bangs.
I like took some hair like from the top of my ears like down below. So let's put on a little bit of face moisturizer. We need sunscreen. It's getting cold out and we need to make sure we take care of ourselves. Even if I wash my hands like 100 times before I go outside, I still feel like I took care. I don't know any other moms who have time to take care of themselves, like when they have small kids, besides nap time. Like, that's it. Good. Wow, it's super glowy. It's so moisturized, you guys. All right, so let's go put on our jewelry and change our clothes. Did I show you guys my nails? Look, you can't really see them. I'll show you. We're back. I put on some jewelry. I put on my my mama necklace. Do you guys see? How cute is this? Hopefully it's not backwards. I don't show you guys my jewelry that much and I'm not used to it, but hopefully this isn't backwards. If it is, you're still gonna see it. And I love it. I also put on my C bracelet. It's really, really hard to show you guys. Like, it's just like a small little letter. You guys haven't even seen my name tag. Look how pretty this color is. Like, where are my wedding rings? Like, where, like, I have a tan, but I took them off like a couple nights ago and I just haven't put them back on. This would look really pretty with my rings. I should put them back on. Oh, my husband just went to go get us a second. Oh, shoot. She's waking up. So I think I have to close the video right here. I can't do like a haul or anything. I was going to show you guys what I got from Sephora. Maybe I can if I go get her and bring her in here into my room. That was it. That was the nap time get ready with me. You guys have not seen me use like a bunch of beauty products that I used today, and I did get a couple more, so I just want to like let you guys know like what's in store, what I got, what I prefer these days. So let's go get Kenya. Are you still sleepy? She's still sleepy. She's wearing her sleep sack that I got for her from Nordstrom. The really, really pretty one. And you got a pretty sleep sack on it. Yep. Okay, let's do the Sephora haul. Very small Sephora haul. Really, really quick because Kenya is gonna give me like 3 minutes to do this and that's it. You guys know I've been trying out the Rhode products, so I got that. And then if this necklace survives the day, I'll be shocked. And it all came in this. So this is the vitamin enriched face base. So you guys know I'm all about like face bases. So this is an all-in-one primer and moisturizer, like bouncy, like it's creamy. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Let's just, because that smells so luxurious. Well, it also said it's a primer, so now I have primer on my neck. Hold on, Kenya. Okay, it does feel like it's like drying down like a moisturizer. But it does feel tacky. Oh, now that's interesting. A vitamin enriched face base. Okay, I get why people use this before makeup, and I just wasn't sure what the hype was, but I feel like now I know. And then House Labs dual ended precision sculpting brush. My brushes are mostly drugstore brushes, which do get the job done. You guys obviously have seen. You guys have seen me get the job done with makeup brushes like over and over and over, but I do want to like try out more single purpose brushes like this one. This is going to like be great for when I do like my nose contour and some contour in these areas. You get the picture. I wanted this for that. I also got like the Makeup by Mario brush. This is the this is the E3 brush, and I needed something small that I could like blend with. We know I only have 2 seconds to do anything for myself before any of my kids need me. An all over lid color is like the perfect solution for that. I can do makeup and I can still take care of my kids, you know, and then I could do my makeup really quick and still take care of my kids. This brush was sold out for a while, so I had to go to a couple different Sephoras over a couple different weeks to get this. It wasn't all in one day. I don't have time to just be running around to Sephora on my own in one day anymore for myself. This is the 4 cosmetic brush. So there's like the more dense side that you can do like your highlighter with, you know, or your cream highlighter, and then there's the foundation side that you can do foundation precisely. Ooh, this feels good. It feels like it's gonna put the foundation exactly where I want it to go. And then there's like actual real money and change in here. That is hilarious. All right guys, so that is my little Sephora haul. I'm gonna have to end this video here, but you see where I'm headed. Skincare, makeup. We're making the nap time work for us. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.